Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I believe we all want to speak good English. Now let me give you some advice. Don't be afraid of losing face. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Don't be afraid of practicing your English. Don't be ashamed of being laughed at. Don't be ashamed of being stared. Don't be ashamed of speaking poor English. The only real shame is that you never open your mouth. Remember, never be afraid and never be ashamed. Don't be afraid. No pain, no gain. You can make it. You are awesome. Yeah. Thank you for listening to me. Goodbye.